So now we're going to do quadratic probing today. And the quadratic probing works with this function where we have hk of I and at the hk plus I square, where hk is the function given to us, which is basically k mod 7 for this question, and we have the size of 7 for the hash table. So what is 50 mod 7? That is 1, because 7 7s are 49, so I'm going to put the 50 in the first index. 700 is completely divided by 7, so that would be 0. And now we have 7 6, 7 12s are 84, so that would be, no sorry, 7 6, so 7 10s are 70, yeah. And that will give us 6, so we'll put 76 here. Then 7 85, so for 85 it is going to be 84, for 12 7s are 84, so 85 and 7 12s 84, so we basically have the remainder of 1, but as you can see 1 is already filled, right? So here comes the quadratic probing. So what we're going to do, we're going to take the function or h of k, which is basically the function, and you are going to plus it with the I square or the ith iteration, right? So what was the index which were really, being affected? So we need to write that down. So what is the h of k, right? So h of k is basically the index where the problem is, where the conflict is arising. So we will use h of k as 1, and then we'll use the first available block, which is square. Means we will do every first iteration. So it's in simple words to understand this. In linear program probing, we used hk plus I. Means we were only seeing one available slot after each of the index, but in the quadratic probing you see two of them. You see double the available slot, and that's why we use the first available slot and then the second one, and etc. Now 1 plus 1 is 2, so 2 is of course available, so we will put 85 in the 2, right? So this was for the 85, and now the next number is, let me see that through. Let me finish it up real quick. We have 92 and 92 into 7. So 7 13s into 7, 7 3 to 21, 7 1 is 7 and 80, 7 3 to 21, so that's 1 here, sorry, and 2 here, 7 1 is 7 and 7 and 2, 91. So we will use this 7 13s 91, and that gives us 1 out as well. So now again there is conflict because 1 is already occupied. So we will again do this. We will say that the index where the conflict occurred is 1, and for the first available slot we're going to check, which is 2. Now 2 is already filled, so that's what we're going to check for the next one. Again, the conflict occurred at 1, but we are going to now check from 2, not the 1. We have already checked the first available slot, and now we are going to check the second available slot. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 is available, so we are going to put 92 there, right? So you can now kind of guess how this all works together, right? Okay, next number is 7 3, right? So I'm going to put this again, and now I have 7 3 for 7 because 11 7s are 77, so we use 7 10s are 70, and it's 3. And now I can, because 3 is available, I can put 7 3. We are right here. So this was quadratic probing. What we do, we just write the, h of k is basically the index where the, conflict is creating, and I squared are going to be the available slots, and every time we are going to change them. If one slot is not available, we are going to be moving towards the next slot. Yeah.